the nature program. Me and my buddy with the SMG are gonna go looking for the wild wildebeest. Let's go. The wild wildebeests are very dangerous. Stay close and don't get eaten. Gonna lock up the door now. Okay, not on there. Let's go. Oh my god, it's the wild. He's eating some old Thai food. Be careful, don't get too close.
Where are your kids?
Well, just the nature program filming you.
I'm gonna go inside now.
Oh, wildebeest. Come on, let's go look at it.
SMG guy.
Okay, we're gonna go look. We might be over there. Be careful. Oh my god, it's a wild wildebeest! Shoot him! Shoot him!
I need to go to work.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
Here, take my money. Just leave me alone.
Get it. Let's go, let's go.
Go, go!
Hey!
Shoot him!
Bam! Bam! Bam!
That's not this. What is this? It's a tripod. Oh!